Hey, it's Wes Stearns of Mo Wilson Properties. Today I'm going to talk to you about getting top dollar for your house. You're ready to put it on the market, you're strategically looking at the best time to do it, and what should you do to prep it. I'll never have a client spend $1 unless I can get $2 back. I've had a lot of clients in the past that have had a house for many years, the carpet's worn, they've had pets, kids, and now they want to sell the property. A lot of them will ask or want to just give a credit, a decorator's allowance. I wouldn't do that. There are some great colors that are in style right now, gray, silver, and then the beige carpet. You're much better off to go ahead and get the work done. You may say, hey, $5,000 is a good decorator's allowance to allow someone to do their kitchen or the flooring. Well, guess what? Your house is going to sit on the market longer because it won't sell as fast. A lot of folks, yeah, they do want to choose their own color, but when they come in to look at your house, and the same house down the street may have the new countertops and the new carpet and the fresh paint, it's going to show a lot better. It's going to sell faster, where yours is going to sit for a lot longer. So always, 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 if you can, if you have the ability to do so, get the painting done and do the neutral color, the neutral carpet, and the granite countertops. The folks at some of these stores will certainly help you. If you'd like comments, send me questions and pictures of what you have, and I'll give you my recommendations on what sells faster. But you're better off to do the repairs up front than just give an allowance. Please send me your comments and subscribe here for more information in real estate. Good luck with your home sale.